Welcome back, friends. From this video I shall start to make these sections, these boxes, small boxes, to show here under this text, and then I will stylize them. So I come back to my code editor. This is the page home.php, and in previous video I showed this text, get inspired to build your business. So now I come out of closing div of call md12 mb5 text center ends, and right under it I make one more div, and I assign it a class container starts, and container ends. Now I make one div inside this container div and assign it a class row starts and row ends. Now I make one div inside this row div and assign it a class call lg3, call md4, call sm6. So I copy this class name here, I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div ends. Friends, I would like to explain something about this class. Those students who knows Bootstrap, they know, but some ones don't know Bootstrap deeply. So for those I would like to explain. Friend, it means that call lg3 mean on big screens total columns are 12. On big screens 3 means 4 columns will be shown, and on medium screens call md4 mean 3 columns will be shown, and call sm6, then on small screens only 2 columns will be shown. So I would like to show you, it is live example. So this is the big screen and you can watch 1 2 3 4 columns are showing, but if I decreases its size, I decrease its size step by step, so you don't worry about it. Now you can watch that it is the total small and only just one column is showing. I increase its size. So now I decrease its size. So now you see that now it is 2 columns are showing, only because it is the small size, and this is the meaning call sm6. So if I increase its size more, then now you can see that 3 columns are showing, 1 2 3, and this is it is meaning call md4. And now if I increase its size more, so now you can see 1 2 3 4 columns are showing. So now 4 columns are showing. Now I make one div inside this div and I assign it a class category dash item. Now I copy this comment, class name, and paste it inside the comment category item starts and ends. Now I make the anchor tag inside this div and link here category.php. This page will be made later on, and I have assigned this cat underscore id, this get variable. It also has not been made yet, and this page also has not been made yet. This page will be made in PHP, and this category also will be made in PHP, but I have just given it here to avoid any confusion later on. When later on I assign this here, then the student confuses. So now during the HTML work I have given it here. So here I am to, it has been little problem, so it does not matter. I press Ctrl Z, so now it's okay. H4 graphic and design. I would like to once again I would like to tell you that if you don't want to write this page address, you can put here the dummy hash sign. I have just written because I will make this page later on when I start my PHP work and make this ID. Then when I make, then I will show you again, so you don't worry about it. Friend, now I go to my computer and I go to downloads and go to images, because I will get an image, this image graphic designing. I copy it and I go back to C, XAMPP, Antidocs, freelance, and this is the folder cat underscore images, because category underscore images, and here I shall paste that image. Now I go back to freelance and I come back to my code editor. Image, search cat underscore images folder, backslash, this is the image name, graphic dash designing design.png. Control S to save. So now I come here and I refresh this page. So friend, this text is showing but image is not showing. There is some problem. So friend, I Control S, I think I did not save it. I come back and I refresh. So now this image is showing, and I come back to demo theme. Total 8 images are showing. So now it means I will paste it 7 times more to show the 8 more images here. So I come back to my code editor and I copy this complete div. I would like to tell you the div which has been assigned a class call lg3, call md4 and call sm6. I copy it and I paste it under 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5th time, 6th time, and the last 7 time. So I come back here and I refresh this page. So now you can see that all these 8 images are showing. Friend, you don't think that the same images are showing, as I have said to you that I am working over just HTML and CSS3 and the Bootstrap to make it a static structure. When I shall make it dynamic, then I will show the different images and different categories. So at this time the same categories are showing. So now I will stylize them to show them accurately. Same